Andrew, thank you. Omaha Public Schools students start heading back to class 1 week from today. Some districts already starting their new school year. Nebraska DHHS says parents and students should prioritize health during back-to-school season. Among their recommendations, scheduling yearly physicals and required immunizations. Prioritize healthy sleep schedules, physical activity, and nutritious meals. And the recommended setting is a consistent routine to reduce screen time and to make time for more homework, socializing, and family hobbies. Also, don't be afraid to ask for help. Reach out to a trusted advisor, teacher, family member, or friend for support.